Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check, please. Okay, hopefully my sound and screen is okay. And we're gonna start our section here today. Okay, so as always, just a quick disclaimer over here for those that who are watching live or probably later on in the recording. Okay, this section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks, okay, based on our discussion in this video here, make sure you have your own so-called trading plan. Okay, if not, you can always follow my so-called trading plans that I have. Okay, the support resistance. Okay, so if you are a XIFU user, you can actually check that out. Okay, by following this trading plan. All right. So again, today we're going to do the usual review. Okay, on some of the stocks that we're looking into. I think some of the stock actually do form a nice sound strength. Okay, towards the closing of yesterday market. This morning go up, but overall still not much of the momentum. One of them actually is ECMO. So ECMO actually tried to push up, but now it's going down already with the shooting star. But still early. Okay, now we only into this first 30 minutes of today. Nothing to greens already. Okay, so fast. Okay, but anyway, I think overall the setup is good. Okay, for ECMO. Okay, first of all, gap up. I like usually a confirmation pullback. Subsequently, another confirmation, a stronger sign, and now slowly going up. Okay, so in between also, if you notice, this chart over here got a shooting star, but they actually hold well lah. Okay, above the shooting star. Normally, again, this is a good sign to tell me that the stock actually is doing great. Okay, overall. So okay, I do have my pullback, so-called pullback list over here as well. Okay, so I think one of them actually is Kobay. Okay, Kobay also a bit boring. Yesterday, I think Kobay overall also a bit boring in the morning section. I think after lunch also a bit boring. Okay, it's only towards the last trading hour, if I'm not mistaken, because I was out for meeting around 3 p.m. I actually didn't realize also they go up. Okay, I actually didn't really notice that they actually make a nice movement. Okay, maybe it's overall I didn't really pay attention to Kobe lah, but anyway, it's a good closing towards the end with volume. So today, hopefully, it continue to change the resistance one area. All right. So the other one I think is Oppstar. Okay, I'm not sure anyone here follow or not. So Oppstar also, this is a shakeout stocks. Okay, kind of similar as Scomnet, but unfortunately I didn't enter for Scomnet. Okay, because of the limited capital. Okay, I do see some stock coming up already that I like lah. Day 3, TSH, Mountain, Binastra also coming back. Okay, so we'll check that later on. Okay, so Oppstar, very easy to look into. Okay, we again gap up. Okay, shake out. Okay, actually I'm holding for a few months already. I think I've been holding starting from around this area over here. Okay, currently still a little bit of losses. I didn't average down. Okay, but overall, I think this is a good so-called shake-up, okay, to happen in this area here. But later on, once it retest back 140, if let's say got a chance, probably I will consider to do a little bit of top up. Okay, so well, hopefully this shakeout over here able to bring them, okay, cross resistance, okay, very very soon for Oppstar. Okay, any other stocks that in my list over here? I have Malakoff. Okay, Malakoff also boring counters, but this is for me more into long-term one. So still moving around there. Okay, the latest is from UOB with the target price 108. Okay, 108 for target price. Okay, now again, for those that who are using XIFU apps, okay, you can click this news at the bottom over here. So this is where you can actually see these pullback indicators. And then if you go into this SCBC, this icon over here, you can actually check the analyst recommendation. Okay, like for example, BC is buy call. So UOB say buy call around and target around 108. Okay, around 108. So this is what it means. Okay, so well, from there actually you can calculate whether is it something that you wanted or not. Again, sometimes analyst recommendation doesn't mean it will hit lah, but just use that as the benchmark lah. So 108 slightly above here lah, 108 somewhere around here lah. But if let's say can hit the previous resistance in 1 ringgit, I think it's also pretty good for me. Okay, I think around 20% would be nice. Okay, for Malakoff. Okay, I entered somewhere around here lah, 70 over cents lah. Okay, currently making a small profit saja lah. So the other one, I think I have some sort of a hope over here is Hexstar Retail. Okay, Hexstar Retail. Okay, do let me know any stock you want me to look into. Okay, later I also go into a new pullback stock. Okay, so Hexstar Retail, one of the reasons I like it because they're actually coming from bottom. Okay, slowly going up along with 2040s. I think this one a bit similar. Like I think just now Janet mentioned about Sensoff. Okay, a bit similar to Sensoff. Sensoff also in my pullback list today. Okay, so yeah, they are holding well around 20 MA now, taking like a rest over here in this period of time. Okay, so slowly, retest support and potentially it might retest resistance and break the resistance. Okay, so Hexstar Industry, nice pullback. Okay, with a strength at support level. Okay, overall is nice for me. Okay, so the other ones that any other counters? Let me know any counters you are looking into. You can type below. Okay, Great Tech also. Okay, Great Tech also, but this one's slow and steady lah. You don't expect a big movement like a VS Tech also in VS Tech as well. Okay, it's again slow and steady lah. Just as for me, they are holding about around 20 MA. I think it's fine. Okay, with some low volume over here. Okay, now let's do into NGGB. NGGB also looks like making a reversal, not doing a very first round pullback. Pullback it to complete. Okay, but I think if let's say above 2040 MA, I think is good sign. Okay, it's a good setup. Okay, with a low volume somewhere around here. So S1, okay, somewhere around 87 cents. Okay, so with the resistance around 95 cents. So from here you can actually calculate risk to reward. Okay, see whether is a good area for you to focus for entry or not. Okay, so personally MGGB also setup everything is still pretty good. Okay, now let's go into Bangtel. Bangtel yesterday forming a hammer. Okay, so as long as hammer I think is okay, pushing back to 2040s again, right? So if still remain above 20 MA, I will still continue to hold for Bangtel. Like I say, slightly a bit disappointing. The day I thought pullback complete is jalan already, but tak jali lah. But luckily yesterday from a hammer. Hammer is always a good sign whenever they feel support. Okay, when they feel support, hammer back, which means someone is buying back at a lower price. Okay, so Bangtel overall setup still okay, just a little bit boring. Okay, but mostly some of the stock here also boring lah. Don't have much momentum, just some of the property construction, yes. But this one I don't have much. Okay, so VLB also continue to goes up in a very slow pace. Okay, yesterday from a shooting star, but if let's say today closing above 490, again I don't think it's an issue. Okay, for VLB at this moment here. Okay, I think I cover most of the stocks that I have already. Yeah, Rojas. Okay, let's not do Rojas. Rojas, lucky yesterday I didn't chase. Yesterday I almost chased Rojas. Okay, but I'm surprised the closing is very bad. Okay, closing is very bad. Okay, but let's see how it goes. Like I say, you can always do few things over here. Strength signal you can always form as a support, or maybe you can use S1. As long as it doesn't break here, I think still got a chance. But with this candle over here, I think it's going to break below and do another wash again. All right. Normally, if you see like a shooting star high volume from resistance, I think Oppstar having that. Okay. Whenever you see this type of setups, right, you roughly form another round of shakeout and they're pushing back again later on. All right. So there's Rojas. Well, like I said, lucky I didn't chase yesterday. If not, it's gonna be stuck again. Okay, any other counters? Okay, the other counter also pretty boring. This is SKP Resources. I'm still holding, okay, because there's no reasons why for me to exit yet for SKP Resources. Still riding on the trend, overall still riding on the trend. Okay, any stock you want me to look into? Okay, looks like today, macam not much people Is it because of the boring market? I'm not sure. Okay, if not, probably I just go into some of these pullback stocks. Okay, that I have. Then we end our section. Okay, morning Tommy, morning. Okay, so do let me know if you are here by typing a 1 or A for me. Okay, Anna, Infotech. Okay, I look into Infotech. I look into some of the stuff you have for me first. Then we go into the pullback. Okay, I kind of like few of the stock coming up already. Muhibala, BP Plastic, Mountain, Binastra, my previous favorite stocks. Okay, Kobay, Kobay just now. Okay, Sign also. Okay, hello David. Oh yeah, I think David yesterday asked me about this list over here, right? Okay, now, sorry, I confused some of you. Actually, for XIFU and XChart is different subscriptions. Okay, so XChart is the one that you're looking right now. Okay, but if you so-called subscribe to XIFU apps, the 20 ringgit per month in the apps in the mobile version, you actually can get this X chart as well in mobile. Okay, so this is so-called the light version. Okay, which means you're not going to do any like detailed analysis. Like for example, you look into this FA analyzer, all this kind of information. You're not going to look into it. This is for someone that probably they want to have more information. They want to have more complete information on FA, especially on FA or TA, right? Yes, you can look into action. But if you want to look for a pullback list over here, yes, unfortunately, this pullback list is only available in action. Okay, if not, that's why I built a different list in XIFU apps. You can go to XIFU apps and you go to the stock idea. Okay, it's not 100% same. Okay, because we use different method algorithm to test to build it, but I can say it's very similar. Okay, so David, you can actually check that out using the XIFU list. Okay, if not, I think if you are looking into free versions from here, you can actually still get it, but somehow like a delayed data, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so now let's look into some of the stocks you have for me. Let's start with Infotech. Infotech also going up. I had to omit this, but I missed it. Okay, because the time when I think when we talk about this in our group is somewhere around here. Okay, if not mistaken, I think Infotech I enter once lah. Okay, I enter once. If not mistaken, can shake out. Okay, then after that it's been sideways for some times, and of course that time also I don't have much capital, and it just poof goes up. Okay, so well, too bad, but yes, if you look into this current chart setup over here, this trend here actually come with loss of strength signal. Okay, loss of strength signal. Okay, which means it's a healthy movement. Okay, it's a healthy movement. Okay, but I'm not sure, Anna, you are looking for entry exit. Okay, that's the things I don't know. Okay, but if you are looking for entry wise, it's trending already right now. Okay, I don't see any weaknesses yet, but again, do remember your potential cut loss is somewhere around this area here. So make sure you calculate your risk. If you think the 10% risk is okay, then you go for it. Okay, but so far, still early lah. I cannot tell really today can it is weak or why, but so far I think still fine. Okay, overall. So if you ask me, good area for entry always near to S1 level to reduce our risk. Okay, so overall still fine. Okay, just that if you're looking for entry right now, the risk to reward ratio is not that great. Okay, KSL also one of the stocks that I'm interested. Okay. Yeah, but too bad. I stuck a lot of stocks. Lots of stock like Kobay, all this, Oppstar, ECMO. I still don't want to let it go first because I still think the setup is good. Okay, but yeah, in the same time, I don't have much capital to look for the next year. But yes, KSL is pretty good. Okay, I have to say that. Okay, it goes up. Okay, with high volume, with strength candle, drop. Okay, if you notice also here's the previous strength, right? Again, remember yesterday I talked about how to use strength signal as support. Okay, I'm going to talk about that also in detail on Friday classes. Okay, so here, strength candles, okay, here. Okay, so sometimes you have this kind of, this is what we call the shakeout. Okay, below support level, this is what we call shakeout. But you notice pushing back with another strength. Okay, so which means this support over here, 1.9, is very, very good. Okay, this support over here is very, very good. Okay, if you understand so far, type 1. Okay, if you understand so far, type 1. Okay, again, if you like this section here, help me to share this out. Help me to click the like button, please. Okay, help me to click the like button, please. Okay, so here, like I say, whenever got strength signal, you always want to check the low of the strength signals. From here, you can actually spot something. Okay, I feel that 1.9 is a good area to focus. Okay, of course, now slightly a little bit high already. Okay, overall, I think it's still good. Okay, going into resistance right now. Okay, not sure you're looking for entry exit, but setup buy is good. Okay, setup buy is good. Okay, entry exit, sometimes to be frank, I don't want to comment much. Okay, because depending on each of the person's risk appetite. Okay, I'm not sure whether 10% is good for you or not. For me, it's always the 8%. Okay, so okay, now Scomnet also good. Okay, I think I share a lot of time Scomnet's in the groups already. It's a shakeout stocks. Okay, kind of similar like KSL as well. Notice the stool strength is coming back too. Okay, so here again we just draw the line. We just draw the line from the strength signal. Okay, So that's why whenever you got strength signal, you know where is the strength setups. Okay, it's very easy for you to identify support resistance. Okay, like I say, you don't need to force yourself to do that. If you are new, okay, use this S1. Okay, I think S1 is also exactly at this area. Okay, so here, one strength, two strength. Okay, so immediately we know this is a nice support level. Okay, so this is what we call shakeout. Okay, so I think overall is good. Okay, today morning down bar. Okay, but so far, even though this is the first trading hour, but for me it's low volume. So, yeah, nothing to be worried lah. Of course, like I said I didn't enter. Okay, limited capital, but 1.5 area is a good area. Okay, so KSL, Scomnet, I think two of the very good potential stocks to focus. Okay, just that yeah, they are slightly a bit far from support. If let's say the risk you think is fine, I think it's okay, right? So okay, now let's get into MFlex. MFlex I didn't follow for quite some time. I don't know what's going on. MFlex, okay, looks like a trend reversal is happening here. Okay, trend reversal, and then we got some strength signals coming in. Okay, but this one too far already lah. You don't use this strength signal anymore lah. If let's say you use this strength signal as a support lah, mati or this one. Okay, sometimes you need to bear big losses over here. Okay, so always try to use the latest so-called strength signal. Okay, if not use S1. Okay, if sometimes the strength signal breaks, right, and the market continue goes up, it won't show any strength signal. Okay, no point, right? So this one you use S1 or S2 to help you out. Okay, okay, welcome Tommy. So okay, now so far I think MFlex is okay. As long as they are above S1, I think it's good. Okay, close to the 20 MA, I think it's fine as well. Just that yesterday they tried to break above but failed, so maybe it will continue sideways. Okay, again, I'm not sure looking for entry exit, but monitor S1 level, I think would be good. Okay, so there's MFlex, CPE Tech. Okay, CPE Tech also long term didn't monitor already. Okay, any other stocks? Oh, this is good. CPE Tech is good. CPE Tech is good. Okay, now, okay, I'm not sure whether you all know how to so-called identify or not. Okay, now again, you look into this chart very closely. Okay, some things that I think just I mentioned. Okay, so here, first of all, this is strength signal from yesterday. Oh, sorry, this is 2 days ago on 12th June. Okay, so here, this is the area we use the low lah. We use the low, we just do it like this. Okay, so now we got the shakeout area. Okay, so again, shakeout area is similar like what happened to Scomnet, KSL. So sometimes what they do after shakeout, they will try resistance. Okay, so sometimes fail, they'll retest back. Okay, and then try again. Okay, now so far I think it's still very nice. Okay, still very nice. Okay, this setup here. Of course, near support, I think 1.3 something, somewhere around here, will be a good area to focus for entry opportunities. Okay, now here got a high volume down bar. Normally high volume down bar, I tend to don't really like that. Okay, because this representing there's a sell in the market. Okay, but if high volume down bar, the price able to reverse and closing above, this one actually is a good sign. This is telling me that on this bar over here, actually there's more there's more buyer than sellers. Okay, actually there's more buyer than sellers. I think CPE Tech, yes, both to look into it. Okay, now at least today I got some counters from you all. Even though I don't have much capital to buy yet. Okay, but again, who knows, right? If let's say ECMO today break above, my Kobay break above, my Hexstar return break above, I take profit, then I can move to these few counters here. Okay, so all right, any other stock you want me to look into? If not, just go to my pullback list and let's see any other things that we missed out. Probably can put into our washes for today. Okay, HWGB got something. Wow, this one big shooting star. Okay, normally I don't like big shooting star. Okay, that doesn't mean it's not good. Doesn't mean this stock won't go up. It will goes up, but sometimes it will take some time slow. I think PSC JCY having that. Okay, let's try JCY. But once they cross, the momentum very good one. Is it JCY? Yeah, I think JCY. This one similar to this one. Okay, similar to this one. Okay, so here, whenever you got a big shooting star, right? Okay, normally it will take some time, Okay, it will normally take some time. So HWGB, I'm not sure whether it will be like JCY or not. But you all monitor if you think that, yeah, like I got patient one, I don't mind holding few months, then later they break, then yeah, I think probably can watch out for that. Okay. Okay, let's see any others. Let's see any others. KKB. KKB volume tak cantik lah. No volume a bit illiquid. Okay, overall volume a bit illiquid. Muhiba macam shakeout, but shakeout yet to complete. Okay, we see how it goes later on. HSSEB. Okay, this is also a big shooting star there. Okay, I think O is okay. This comes with shakeout as well. This one comes with shakeout as well. Okay, exactly at S1 level. Okay, if you notice here, we got a shakeout. Okay, here we got a shakeout. Okay, but here got a big shooting star. Okay, here got a big shooting star. Okay, we look for something that is easy to recognize. Like Scomnet, I think it's easy to recognize. Okay, easy to check which means no weakness and resistance. Support wise is good. Mountain is also good. Jalan already. Mountain here got a pullback setups. Okay, got a pullback setup. Okay, let me just zoom in so you can see better. Okay, here pullback, deep pullbacks. Okay, pullback completes. Okay, retest now going up higher. Okay, again not sure, but let's say if we test back 450 area, I think this is a good area to focus. Okay, main resistance definitely somewhere around here. Okay, so this is a good stocks for you to do, maybe trading within the range. Okay, anything we have? CIMB, okay, CHHB. Hey, on the way pullback this one. Pullback yet to complete we wait Optimax. I think Optimax yesterday also pullback completes, right? Okay, so Optimax, yes. Okay, I think yesterday also we do review Optimax. Okay, we got 1 strength, 2 strength, 3 strengths. Okay, so if you draw this line over here, mostly they are actually retest at the same area. So you know that this area here is a good support, which is I think the S1 level Okay, S1 level around 680 level. Okay, I think it's a good strength area for you to focus. Oppstar. Okay, now again, BC is buy call from analyst. Public Bank says that target 83 cents. Okay, Public Bank says target 83 cents. This is also CMB and MIMB previously on this is towards the end of May. Okay, so CMB target 84 cents, MIBB, which is Maybank, 87 cents. Okay, so again, you just check previous historical data. Okay, I use latest one, probably bank 83 cents. 83 cents. Ngam at the main resistance. Okay, ngam at the main resistance. So, well, if you think can hit, then probably you can try. But based on chart setup wise, I think it's a good setup to focus. Okay, it's a good chart to focus. Okay, so okay, probably I go for the last one. Today a bit quiet overall. So let's do into QES. Is it market quiet? But I think market overall okay right? Crossing R1 already. Okay, so this one continuation of trend. Okay, again, Tommy, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Entry right, good. Continue to ride on the trend. I don't see any weaknesses. So here, yes, we got see one weakness with some increasing volume. Okay, but pullback completes. Okay, near the 40 MA. Okay, right now at this resistance level, I don't see any weakness sign yet. Okay, I haven't seen any weakness sign yet. So if you are riding it, I think still good overall. Okay, still good. All right, so I think with this, I will end my section here today. So once again, thank you for joining me. Okay, if you like my section here on this daily basis over here, help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out, okay, so that we can have more viewer moving forward. Okay, riding okay, congratulations. Okay, I think okay I don't see any weakness like I say, so overall still good for this. Okay, so do remember continue to check my XIFU pullback. Okay, it's a bit similar like here. Sometimes just need to do a little bit of homework So from here, this is what usually I do I check the chart, check the list, and then go to the stocks. Then from here, I know that okay, we start actually slightly coming already. I need to be prepared. Okay, like TSH, I think TSH is also pretty good. TSH pullback. Yet to complete lah. We see how it goes later around 3 or 4 p.m. lah. So the other one is day 3. I think day 3 also pretty good as well. Okay, you can notice here got PSC got 2 strengths already, but a bit far lah. I was waiting for the latest one. Okay, so CSC still, I think this is adjustment or something lah. Why got a lot of gaps over here? Okay, so with this once again, thank you, and I will see you again tomorrow morning.